Did OpenAI just create an AI that can think and act without you? Yeah, you heard that right. The new ChatGPT Agent isn't just answering questions anymore. It's opening files, making PowerPoints, even running web searches, all by itself. According to OpenAI's announcement, this thing can operate apps like Excel and Google Sheets, schedule meetings, generate reports, and basically be your virtual assistant on steroids. And the wild part? It doesn't just wait for commands. It decides what to do. The Wall Street Journal calls it a power user's dream, but I call it a productivity boost, or the start of your inbox rebelling. Imagine sending yourself an email you don't remember writing, because AI did it for you. CNN adds that it's designed to mimic real-world reasoning. It sees a problem, thinks through it, and acts on it without needing your every word. It's like your brain, but outsourced to the cloud. Now, don't panic, we're not at Skynet yet, but it is a glimpse at the future of human-computer teamwork. Or maybe, human-computer dependency? So back to the question. Did OpenAI just build an AI that can think and act without you? Yeah. And the real twist? You might hire it before it replaces you.